Hi there, welcome to the new Qlik Sense tutorial video, and in this video I will going to talk about the year name function. So year name function, as you can think, it's a very straightforward function where it will give you the year name value like 2012 or 13. Also it has the capability, let's say if you're working with the financial period, then it will give you the financial year information like 2013-14 or 2017-18, that sort of information. So let's see very quickly how we can go into the data and implement this. So within the data we have the invoice dates, and let's say we want to identify in which year they have been received. So for now, looking at the date, it's very straightforward, but we'll add the twist with the financial year. So we will call it year underscore name, just a table name. We will add a load star. So star will going to load all the columns from this table, which is invoice ID and invoice date, and then we will going to add the year name function. So year name, and in the year name, as the column as this specify, we will going to specify the invoice date and the, so if I just hit the save, we will going to specify the date, which is invoice date, and the period number. So 0 is basically a default, which means the current year. So INV date and then comma. So first of all, let's just go with that as year underscore name, resident, the temp table over here, temp table, that is it. And since all the columns of temp table is in this table, so we don't need this. So drop table, temp table, save it and load it. All right, let's come to analysis, create one table and add the dimension, first of all the invoice date, and the another dimension, which is the year name. All right, so what is the year name is we are getting it over here. Now if you want to move back and forth, like I want to look at the previous year of the date in which you have received the invoice, so hit the save and load it. So -1 will take me back to the previous year. So 2019 is the invoice date, but we are taking 2018. And if you would have guessed it, for the next year, you will just say +1 or 1, right? And after that, if you have a need where you want the fiscal year, you can specify the value between 2 and, sorry, the value which is like 2 or up till 12. 2 indicates Feb, 3 indicates March, as you would think, and December is 12. So if my financial period is starting in March, then I will say 3, and I will say 0 to make sure that we are in the current year. Save, load, close, come to analysis, and now we have the financial period information for the purpose of displaying it. So if that's what you want, you will going to specify the third parameter. So 3 indicates March, 2 indicates Feb, and if it is January, you don't need to specify anything in that case. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.